So hello, long time no see, right? Haven't posted a video in probably about a year. So things have changed. There's a lot going on. I can't promise you that there will not be a planner in any of my videos upcoming, but I'm not guaranteeing you that there are going to be any either. But because I have a little bit more free time, what I want to do is start getting back online and talking trash. So that's what I'm gonna do. Um, Today is not that day. I'm not about to get up here and start talking trash today because I just don't feel like it. All I'm really doing is just saying, "Hey, I'm back." For those of you that I think I have 32 subscribers right now. Hype. Like I'm doing big things right now. 32 of y'all. Hopefully you get like a little subscription notification that says, hey. Anywho, if you don't, then that means that you're not subscribed and you don't have your notification bells on. So won't you do that for me real quick? Meantime, in between time, I'll get up here, voice my opinion from time to time. I will try to make this a weekly thing. As you can see, there is quite a mess behind me. We are moving, new homeowners, and it is time for us to get out of the tiny house situation. So my background will be changing in the next few weeks. Just hold tight, and we'll do a couple of little tours and stuff like that, so we can see how Kelly Kell is living out here. So life update: what's happened? I have retired from the military, 20 years over and done. I am completely out of the military, and I now have a job working somewhere else, and it's cool. I like it. So I'm going to keep doing that for a bit and see what I want to do when I grow up. So pretty much all my growing up was done in the Navy, and now I'm out of the Navy, and I got to figure out what I got to do with my life. That's serious. Excuse me. So, um, hopefully, I'll get up here and I'll say some things that people will enjoy. Do a couple of tutorials on some things, some how-tos, some what we gonna do's, and blah 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 blah. Right now, we are not in a what is my husband talking about? In a quarantine status, but hold on, sorry. That's what happens. You be up here making videos, and then real life just pops off. We're not in a quarantine status. I still go to work. My kids are out of school. Daycare is still open though, so we're waiting on that. We have stuff. We alright, but we still trying to pack, and we still gotta move. So we'll just see what we got going on. So, anywho, hopefully in the next couple of days, I'll make another video. We'll get up here and we'll talk about some stuff. If you would like to, what you can do is you can leave me a comment below this video and just ask me a question. And I'll try and do a Q&A, depending on what the questions are, because some stuff ain't none of your damn business. And then other things I don't mind talking about. It's a couple of things that I will not address on this channel, and that's going to be race, religion, and politics. Those are some things that I don't discuss in open forums just because they are highly inflammatory without anybody saying anything. Yeah, respect it. It is what it is, okay? So hopefully everybody's having a great day. It's Monday. It's the beginning of the week. Hopefully everybody got some toilet paper because that seems to be in short order right now. And other than that, I will see y'all on the flip, okay? Take care.